on the side loading door. If anybody knows where I can get the frame in rubber to go around the panel on the van to go around the door, please drop it in a comment below, and please like and subscribe, and thank you for looking at my YouTube channel.